right, here we go. Icon of the seas. We have a Oceanview balcony, room 7158. And you have the touch panels to open your door. And the balcony rooms on this ship are all almost identical, whether it's an infinite or a regular. And first thing is the bathroom. As I showed in a previous video, counter space is limited. You do have a big drawer here, and you do have some shelves down there. They make efficient use of the space by the door opening in a swivel, and the large towels are in a rack above. Check this out, full-length mirror. But I learned this on my last one. You open it, and there's the safe and some shelvings. So don't forget to open that. And as you come in, you have your little landing area, your amenities, nice big couch. Here on the right, this is the same closet shelving setup as they have on all of the other balconies and interiors and even ocean views. Same thing. They have these racks here. They're really annoying because, I mean, I think it's a good idea, but see what I'm saying? All right, so here you have drawers, pretty good drawers. You got your fridge and nice mirror here. And we got some swag. Here's your bed, big TV. I like the indirect lighting they have here, as you can see. Very pretty. And your balcony. You can open the partitions if you have neighbors that you like. And let's take a look at this balcony furniture real quick. The door is nice and easy to open, so that's good. Look at that, nice, modern, very nice. And there's Miami. And there's lots of USB ports and outlets, charging outlets. This is the light to the balcony. And see, more USB ports here. It's a beautiful room. So there you go, 7158. Icon of the seas. Thank you for watching. And check the link in the description. I have room tours on all 25 categories of rooms on this ship. So there you go. Peace out.